Hey my Niki Charmers, welcome back to my channel. This is another part of my Christmas series. We're making this cute North Pole sign which is perfect for a Christmas party or just decor. So stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. So for this DIY, you're going to need a lamp stand or some type of pole, a swimming noodle which I got from Dollar Tree, and every other thing I got from Dollar Tree, the signs, the snow, the ribbon, and the clear ornament. So the first thing I did was take the signs and I painted them. You can use any color. I am using white for my signs. And I'm using a sponge brush and I'm just painting over it and make sure that it dries, which it will dry very quickly. And make sure to get all the sides of the frame. And for this project, I'm using 2 arrows, which will say naughty and nice. You can use however many you want. You can add lettering to it or stickers, whatever you want the sign to say. Last but not least, I added my fake snow, and here are the final results. I must say I made these Dollar Tree items look like $1 million project. I hope you guys enjoyed this project and it was very festive and fun. And if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah.